If you want to block adult websites or content on your iPhone, you simply do this. To block adult content on your iPhone, you simply go to your settings. And then once you are in your settings, you're looking for an option called screen time, this one. You click on it. Now you see a lot of options here. You can scroll through them at your own pace and at your own time. And, select each of the options just to see how they behave. For this tutorial though, you go to apps and websites. Then when you go to apps and websites, you see a list of applications like this. And it will also show you blocked. This would be either blocked apps or websites as well. Right now we have nothing blocked. But if you block a website or an app, it will come and show under this option. What we want to do here is on restrictions, you click that option there. Then you scroll down, you go to websites there. Click. Then you say limit adult websites. Okay, then you just go back like this. So you see that it's now changed to limit adult websites. So this will only limit the known adult websites. So what this does is it limits adult websites on web browsers. So when a person or a child accesses an adult website, it will show an option like this. Then it will also show a button like that. Unfortunately, that button will mean that even if they add that website to the approved list, what it would mean is it will now be accessible. So what you would need to do here is either number one, you block certain websites specifically, manually, just one by one. Of course, this is a challenge because it would mean you need to know them specifically, which would also be a challenge. However, the other option is for someone to change the settings of screen time, they would need sort of like a password. So what you need to do here is you go back to screen time, then you go down to manage screen time. Then you go to lock screen time settings. Here you enter a new screen time passcode. Because I've never entered the screen time passcode, I will obviously enter a new one. Let me just say 4 zeros. Then I'll repeat. This step is not necessary. If you want to restore, you can put your Apple account here so that you can restore it safely. I think it's good if you are afraid of forgetting that screen time passcode. However, for this tutorial, I'll skip. Then now it will show me change screen time passcode. So it's now there. So any moment or any time I want to change an option, for example, I want to change here, then go back and say unrestricted, it will ask me for the screen time passcode. So anytime your child or anyone accesses that unapproved website or blocked website, for them to edit back, it would need a screen time passcode. So this will make it safer in terms of just security. So this is how you block adult content or adult sites on your iPhone. What do you think about this video? Do you like it? If you sure do, then make sure you subscribe and make sure you click that notification bell.